I'm not a hunter, but I'm told.
It's okay to kill blacks as long as you got a badge on. And you can lie to their face as long as you got a mask on. Addicted to soul food and now it's nothing you can fast on. See, what I heard was, we indigenous to the earth, we didn't all come from Africa. Worldwide, we was the first and every nation comes after us. Crucified for religion and your truth became blasphemous. Now your God is the government, paying tithes when they taxing us. Diluted and vaccinated, dependent upon prescriptions. And if you never graduated, you stupid and insufficient. Claiming independence but living up off the system. Put the father in prison, the children would never miss him. And even when I'm wrong, they make it like I'm the victim. No love for my own, I'm happy to Willie Lynch them. America, America. A beautiful nation where cops could kill a nigga and get a paid vacation. Land of the free, home of the brave. More like land of the beast, home of the slaves. FBI, CIA, and KKK. I was born black and unrespected, lied to and unprotected, where your status is determined by the size of your necklace, where it's cool to be dumb and corny to be a genius, where they say you act white when you speak proper English. So we spit slang, gang bang, and swag out, smoke weed, drink Henny, and pass out, pants sagging, proud to be asked out. Everybody full of shit, broken promises. You swore to do shit you never did. From the top of the pyramids to the bottom of the cotton field. From spirit food to soul food. From fast food to happy meals. From gods and kings of men to brutality from a police force with demons within. A system built to diminish the truth. 12 years of school to miseducate the youth. Yo, history books don't tell my story. There be words of corruption, deduction, and malfunction. In God we trust, and so says the Satanist. For the love of money we choose to spread hatred, idolize religion and bias organizations. If you're black, you're scum. You're a thug, you're a bum. Last to get a job and first to quit. In other words, my nigga, you ain't shit. Ain't never been shit, ain't never gonna be. You ain't free, nigga, you just a wannabe. Claim blocks but never owned a street. Barbecue eating chitlins and pig's feet. And call yourself a Christian. You non-spiritual, hypocritical, holiday-loving individual. You're not a man, you a person. Or do you even know the difference? Hey, if you ask me, honesty better than sugar-coated bullshit. But who asked me? How many niggas in the NFL but only Kaepernick took a knee? Whole nation praised football like G.O.D. Black women became agents for CFE, paid informant. Rather see their baby daddy locked up than to let their baby see their daddy. Rather see their baby daddy locked up than to let their baby see their daddy? Why? Cause nigga, you ain't shit. Ain't never been shit, ain't never gonna be. You ain't free, nigga. You just a wannabe. The state is my baby daddy, they never do me wrong. All he asks is keep the father out the home. So I don't need no nigga, I handle my business. I don't need to work, I'm a paid witness. I sacrifice forgiveness, just give me that payback. So nah nigga, you can't see your child. Nah nigga, you ain't got no rights. Oh nah, hell nah. Y'all niggas can't survive. You know what? Matter of fact, I'ma lock you up. I'ma hold you in contempt because you acting up. You want to claim I deprived you of your constitutional rights? When was the last time your dumb ass stopped anything to read the Constitution? Nigga.